This video will demonstrate how school districts can use the Curriculum Learning Object Repository tools to achieve district instructional objectives. Publisher course digital resources can be imported into the curriculum lore, making them accessible by lesson for classroom use. This not only saves teachers valuable time, but also unlocks a world of possibilities for curriculum developers. When publishers' course cartridges are available and include the One EdTech organization's Common Cartridge Standard, they can be ingested into the Safari Montage Thin Common Cartridge Editor. There are two methods for importing cartridges into the CLOR that can satisfy a variety of needs. For districts without dedicated curriculum developers, the CLOR's TCC editor generates a new, fully structured course mirroring the publisher's scope and sequence. Curriculum developers can then add district-created materials, such as teacher guidance and preferred learning resources, customizing the course to better suit district needs. Now that the course has been generated and supplemented with district resources, the course status can be adjusted from in development to in use. Additionally, one roster can be synced to this course by adding the course SIS ID. If a district has already created digital courses in the CLOR, curriculum developers can use the TCC editor to align publishers' cartridge resources into specific sections of the course, while also automating the creation and organization of cartridge resources into playlists, learning resources, and teacher resources. This saves the developers time and ensures that the publisher's resources get added to the intended location. Before importing the cartridge, the TCC editor provides a number of options to refine the publisher's cartridge content. Curriculum developers can designate playlists, resequence folders, and relabel content and hierarchical folders to ensure a logical flow, making the materials more accessible and useful for teachers. The details of the cartridge are summarized for review, including permissions for objects that only teachers should see, learning resource type varieties, and identification of the aligned standards framework. If there are any issues, they can be corrected in the editor, or the publisher can be contacted to make cartridge adjustments. Should the publisher provide a new version of the cartridge, developers can update the previously imported cartridge without changing the restructured and edited elements. Once the final version of the cartridge has been imported as a course, the curriculum developer can add other resources to the lessons, create or enhance cartridge playlists using other objects, add metadata and target standards, adjust field labels by course, and tie the course to one roster with users. In addition, since the use of Thin Common Cartridge extensions can now be used to support text fields, such as unit objectives or lesson essential questions, these elements will also now be capable of being edited or added directly into the TCC editor. These fields will be automatically mapped into the fully constructed course upon import. Also, standards GUIDs will be capable of being aligned directly within the TCC editor.